Well, today we're going to fix a chair rail. It came apart somehow or another. Looks like somebody fixed the other side. Looks like they had shoved this in further and made this one shorter, because there's the rim right there where it was glued at one time inside. So we're going to take a piece of dowel, put it in here, make it fit this, and then glue it together, smooth it out, paint it up, and that's it. Alright, we better get to it. We're going to give it a flat surface to start out with. Okay, top of that there. Got a flat, we just want to make sure our dowel is pretty much the same size. Okay, I'm going to take my saw, I'm going to cut a little V in it. We want to give this a little bit of a point. You want to go. So we'll have some fiddling to do to get it to fit right, but not too much. Okay, brought this together pretty good. That's what we wanted there. That's one side. Then we'll do the same to the other side. Start me off with a nice flat piece. As flat as I can get anyhow. Stand her up. Make me another little V here. Okay. Same thing on this side. It ain't perfect, but it'll fit. And this one I'm just gonna put some glue in that one. A little messy right now. I'll take it and put it in one of my clamps. Give it a little squeeze. Dry up good. I usually use a damp cloth, I just didn't have one handy. It's one thing I usually have with me. Like so. We'll just let that dry overnight, or as long as we can. Sand it down a little bit smooth so it's extended and even. Okay, well I got that sanded down there. This one's gonna go in this side here like so. Okay, then this side, look like this. I'm going to put this one in here like so, as best we can anyhow. And this is going to turn a little bit like so. And see, it's kind of like that. It's kind of like that, but it's on there. We'll just take a block and we'll even it up here. That's even better.